Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update software on your XIAOMI Mi Box TV 3S. First of all, you're gonna have to press the home button on your remote control, the one that goes with your box, and then navigate to the gear icon to open Quick Settings. Here in Quick Settings, let's select gear icon again to open all settings, and then scroll down to System. Here in the System menu, navigate down to About, then go to System Update. Make sure that your device is connected to the internet. And if you have any update to install, after clicking Check for Update, your device will proceed to download and install the update and eventually will restart to apply changes. But as you can see, no updates were found. So this box is up to date. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.